Hello everyone, today we are discussing about IPL player profile API testing using Postman. So our objective is to create a mock API using JSON server that simulates IPL player data. I've already created a mock API data of players in Notepad. So here it is. Now we have to go to the command prompt and type npx JSON server watch, and then we have to copy the path of the file. So here it is, players 22. Copy as path. Now copy the path and then port 5. You can make anything. Yes. So now you will get the endpoint which you have to copy. We got the endpoints. Now copy this and now go to Postman. Create a new workspace here. Name it anything. Postman 27. Name it. Make it public. Now create a new collection. You can name it anything. Click on the three dots here and add request. So our first request is get. Now paste the URL that you have copied to get the data of the players. You got the list? Now save it. Click on the dots and add another request, that is post. In post, we add a new data with a new ID. Copy paste the same URL and go to the body section and in raw. You can copy this and in the body and in raw you can make changes and you can create a new ID. So ID 4 because the data is still ID 3. So you can name the player anything. Bowler, and now you can change anything. You're making a new data. You are adding. So now save it. Add another request, that is put. Name it put. Paste the same URL, but now you have to mention the ID in which you want to make changes. So if you want to make changes in fourth ID that you just created, so first copy this and then input, go to the body section and in raw section and you can paste it, and now you can make changes. You cannot change the ID. You can make the changes in the ID, but you cannot change the ID. So make any changes. We are making changes in the runs. So 770 and here matches played is 30. India, role is bowler, RCB to CSK. So, and Shami to Dhoni. Send. So now save it. The changes have been made. Now I add another request, which is the last request, that is delete. And you have to mention the ID that you want to delete. So we are deleting the fourth ID that we just made. Delete it. So it is now showing 200 OK. Now you can see 404 not found because the fourth ID has been deleted. So now if you check through get, you will not get the fourth ID. See, you will not get the fourth ID. So now the next task is students must implement the following validation techniques using Postman. First is status code validation. Ensure API returns 200 OK on successful request. So go to the get request and go to the script section and type the scripts, test scripts that you want to validate. So now go to snippets and status code is 200. And now the second thing was response time validation. Response time is less than 500 millisecond. You have to check. Go to snippets and less than, make changes here, make it 500. So these test scripts are already present in the snippet section. You can take help from there. And now send it and go to the test results, and the 2 test cases have been passed. So now to check if there is an invalid ID of any player, you can mention the ID and obviously wrong ID to check. Now the test script would be like this: pm dot test should return 404 for invalid ID, comma, and now pm dot response to have status 404. Because there is nothing, no ID as 99. So yeah, the test case is passed and 404 not found because it is returning 404 not found because the ID is invalid. So we have done the IPL player profile API testing using Postman. Thank you.